Hey, I'm Tony Crimlisk. The world is full of unanswered questions, but I bet you never thought of this one. Nowadays we often gaze on women over 50 without the slightest trace of wrinkles on their face. Doctors go and take their dough and make them young and nifty, but doctors I defy to tell me just why. No matter how young a prune may be, it's always full of wrinkles. We may get them on our face, prunes get them every place. Prohibition bothers us, but prunes don't sit and brood. No matter how young a prune may be, it's always getting stewed. Now in the kingdom of the fruits, the prune is snubbed by others, and they are not allowed to mingle with the crowd, though they're never on display with their highbrow brothers. They never seem to mind, in fact they are resigned. No matter how young a prune may be, it's always full of wrinkles. Beauty treatments always fail, they've tried them all to no avail. Other treats are envious because they know real well. No matter how young a prune may be, hot water makes them swell. Yeah, no matter how young a prune may be, hot water makes them swell. Well, this is one of Frank Crumit's humorous songs. He was born in 1889 and he died in 1943 and was an American singer, composer, radio entertainer and vaudeville star. He shared his radio programmes with his second wife, Julia Sanderson, and the two were sometimes called the ideal couple of the air. He was destined to follow the footsteps of his grandfather, Dr. C.K. Crumit, who had been a medical doctor, but he had other ideas, and by 1913, still in his early 20s, he was performing in vaudeville stage, first with a trio, and then a year later on his own, playing both the guitar and the ukulele. Well, this song is in the key of C, and the chords are fairly straightforward. There's a C chord, there's a G7 chord, there's a D7, but I'm using the Hawaiian D7, and there's an A7 chord. The only difference is, for the introduction, I go from a C chord to a C major 7. That's a little triangle symbol. Then an A7, D7, G, very common little progression, goes like this. Sewing pattern is just across with the thumb, occasionally across with the back floppy fingers, up with the thumb. That's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.